Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a quick beef stir-fry. This guide will help you create a delicious meal in under 30 minutes. First, gather all your ingredients, such as 1 pound of flank steak and your favorite crisp vegetables. Next, slice the beef thinly against the grain. This ensures it stays tender. Finally, chop your vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly and quickly. Getting everything ready beforehand is key to a fast and successful stir-fry. Now, let's prepare the marinade and the stir-fry sauce. For the beef, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, 1 clove of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Marinate the beef for at least 15 minutes. This step is crucial for tender, flavorful meat. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for your delicious stir-fry sauce. This dual preparation saves time. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Heat your wok or a large skillet over very high heat. This is essential for a proper stir-fry. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, then cook the beef in small batches for just 1 to 2 minutes until it's nicely browned. Remove the beef and set it aside. Next, add another tablespoon of oil and stir-fry your vegetables for about 3 minutes until they are crisp tender. Avoid overcrowding the pan to ensure even cooking. The final steps bring everything together for a fantastic meal. Return the cooked beef to the pan with the crisp tender vegetables. Give everything a quick toss to combine. Now, pour in your prepared stir-fry sauce and continue to toss for about 1 minute, ensuring all ingredients are beautifully coated and heated through. Serve your quick beef stir-fry immediately over fluffy steamed rice or your favorite noodles for a satisfying and flavorful dinner. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.